In this video, we will look into another type of loop, which is called as a while loop. For this particular use case, while for is completely effective, the while loop also can be used in this particular scenario. And this might not be the most ideal scenario to use a while loop, but I want you to know that there is something called as a while loop also that you can use in numerous scenarios. So just to convert this thing into a while, the only thing we'll have to do is just instead of for, write while, and while basically works on usually a single condition. Okay, so the only thing we were going to need is the fact that the variable should be less than or equal to count, and we can initialize that variable here and just increment the variable here. I think that's all it's going to take to bring in something called as a while loop. So let me execute the code once again and let's see how it works. It's waiting for the input. Let me say 4. And yeah, there you go. It prints for 4 times. So what we saw in previously was the for loop, and it was effective, and it serves the purpose. And there is no need for you to convert that for into a while here. But I'm just showing you that there is something called as a while loop also, and the way it works. So it's a very simple concept that it will check for the condition, and as long as that condition is valid, it is going to loop. So once that condition is going is not no longer holds good, then it just comes out. So that is what the while loop is about. While something is true, then you basically loop. Okay, so this is useful in a lot of different scenarios, and especially when you're waiting for some variable to get updated or for some event to occur, and quite a lot of scenarios. So if you know that there is something called as a while loop, it will be very handy. So that's all about the while loop. Let's meet in the next video.